Hey, it's Carla Clayton, the wellness lady, and I just got back from my walk in the park, and guess what was at my doorstep? Something I've been anxiously awaiting for. So I'm going to unbox it, and let's see if it is what I was waiting for. This is a brand new product that just launched last week, and yeah, I'm gonna really try to gracefully open this box. Come on, the tape, oh my gosh. Well, you know it's real. I wanted you to know I'm truly opening this for the first time. So there's my packing slip. Oh my goodness, look in there, look in there. So this is what it is. Oh, how exciting. Shaklee just came out with a hand sanitizer that is moisturizing. So I have been waiting to get this. It kills 99.99% of germs. It's antibacterial hand gel with plant-based moisturizers, and that's what makes it different. As a matter of fact, I was just listening. One of my clients just got hers a few days ago. She got hers before me. She owns a gym. And she says that in between, she does personal training. In between clients, she uses hand sanitizer between each client. And her hands were starting to crack and get very dry. And she was concerned about that. So she ordered this, and she said using it 2 days, her hands are healing and they're very they're moisturized. This is fragrance free, so it's very good for people with, there's really no smell. Now I'm gonna try it here. I'm gonna put some, hopefully. Hey, this is a true unboxing. Like, I didn't prep anything. Look, okay, so we got to take the little seal off. I'm so excited because I've always worried about using hand sanitizers, but I trust everything that Shaklee makes. So I'm so excited about this. So here we go. It's a gel, as you can see. To rub it in. So it's got plant-based moisturizers in it, and that, as my trainer was telling me, just really helps to heal the skin as you're still getting, it does have the alcohol, it has the amount of alcohol, a little bit more than what the CDC recommends to kill germs, and it is just amazing. It's fragrance-free, alcohol-based gel, kills germs and bacteria, and sanitizes your hands without drying them out. It's formulated with plant-based moisturizers so your skin stays soft and protected. No rinsing or drying with towels needed, and it's safe for the whole family, and you're gonna love this. Made in the USA. We like our things made in the USA. And when you buy this from my online store, you are supporting a small business. So thank you so much for your support. I hope that you will reach out to me about this and all the other wonderful wellness products that we have for you. And I will post links below, so a direct link so you can order this. There is a limit of 3 because it's such a popular, well-needed product these days. So order your 3. You can order 3 every month. You have to do it like every 30 days. So I hope that you find this valuable. Please like, share. If this isn't your first time to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I go live. Take care. Bye-bye.